Totallee cases for the iPhone 12 Pro. Now I want to give a special shout out to Totallee for sponsoring this video. Let's dive right in. All right, so you can see I have a couple of cases here from Totallee. Let's just get right into it right now. I'll open this up. Comes in this little sleeve. TotalleeCase.com. Check them out. These cases are awesome. In the box, you get this little card right here. Put that to the side, and then this is it. A slim and minimal phone case. California-based, 2-year warranty. TotalleeCase.com. Check them out. Love these cases. I'm gonna open it up, and then here it is. Nice and easy, nice and simple. Super thin, super thin case. We'll take a look at the inside. Have a look. Now the thing I love about these cases is just the precision. Look at the precise cutouts here on the bottom for the speakers and your lightning port. Cutout there. Cutouts, and then your camera cutout. And if you look at it, you get a little hump right there to protect that camera. Very nice. Here's the device in its beautiful graphite gray. We'll slap it on. Now let me go behind the camera here. Boom, got the case on. Oh man. Wait until you see this. The fitment on this thing is just absolutely spot on. All right, check this out. Woo! Look at how hot this thing looks. Now, if you're looking for a minimalistic case, check these guys out, totallee.com or totalleecases.com. Check out the hump for the camera module. Will protect that camera lens, but check out the cutouts though. Just the precision that is. Look, cutout there for your lightning port. Cutouts here for your volume and switch. Cutout for the power. Very nice. Gives a nice grip. Feels really good to hold. This doesn't even feel like it has a case on the phone. Nice matte finish. No fingerprints. This feels really good to touch and hold and feel. I love it, man. I love it. We'll do a test of the wireless charging, of course. Boom, and it should work. As you can see. Love these cases from Totallee. I'm digging it, man. All right, let's take a look at this one. Let's have a quick dive into this. Now this will fit both the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro. Woo! Now look at this. In this green color. This is hot. Oh boy, I think I'm gonna dig this one. All right, let's slap this on. All right, got the black one off. Gonna take this green one. Oh man, this is gonna look nice. There we go, slides on nice and easy. Woo! Now this looks pretty cool. This looks pretty cool. Check this out. Nice. If you look closely, you can still see the Apple logo. Love it. Camera lens protection, have a look. The cutouts, very similar to the black one. Nice and precise. Feels really good to hold. Nice matte finish, no fingerprints. Go check out totalleecases.com. These cases come in a variety of colors. This is the smoke, this is the green. Have a look. These cases are awesome. Once again, shout out to Totallee Cases for sending these cases over. Links will be in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.